Over the years, I've handled a lot of shipments, especially international shipments. So I go through a lot of packing tape, and I've bought tape from many different places, including box stores and online stores. And I've tried a lot of different brands, but somehow I keep coming back to this one. There's something really unique about this tape. It's just very easy to work with. With some tapes that I've used before, they can twist up, stick to themselves, or get all wrinkled when you try to pull them out. Sometimes they even split or become difficult to unroll. But with this tape, even if you accidentally crumple it or fold it while working, it still comes out smoothly and you can keep using it without a problem. It just stays neat and easy to handle. Another thing I like is the color. It's brown instead of the usual clear tape, so it helps my boxes stand out a little bit from other packages. The adhesive is also really strong, so when you seal your boxes, you know they're going to stay closed during shipping. Since I handle so many shipments, having a tape that works reliably every time really matters. So this is a tape that I've used quite a lot, and it's one that I definitely recommend if you do a lot of packing, shipping, or moving boxes.